My name is Govan Emmerson, and I purchased this refrigerator, and I needed service, and I called Dependable, and they sent Jeff to the serviceman out to repair it. He came out and he saw what the problem was. He needed parts, so he ordered the parts that day, and in 5 days the parts came. I called Jeff, and he came out early the next morning and repaired my refrigerator. Jeff is a dependable person. I've lived here for 48 years in this area in Atlanta, and I've had service people to come, but he is about the most prompt person that I've had to come, and he fixed my refrigerator just like he said he would. And I would use him again and again, and I would advise other people to use him because he is a very dependable person.